Sir Imran reporting from the Fazil Chist project. Today is 3rd December 2025. Sir, our quality manager Nasir Ahmed Shiraji is presented at the site today. Along with him, 6 masons are actively working, and we have already completed 4 columns. As you can see, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, and by the end of the day another 4 columns will also be completed, sir. Hussain, Samsuddin, they are working professionally. Additionally, we have received 1 truckloads of sand and 1 truckloads of stone, which I placed in front of the plot. The workers are preparing the steel boxes for the next set of columns, sir. That's all for today's update, sir. Wishing you good health. Assalamu alaikum.